Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Accent vs Kia K3 full comparison. Follow along as I guide you through key differences in driving feel, tech, and value. Pay attention to fuel economy numbers and safety features I point out on screen. I'll explain which car suits commuters, families, and bargain seekers, and I'll give practical tips for test drives and negotiation so you can shop smarter today. Let's break down performance and efficiency in a friendly way that's easy to follow. I'll cover engine feel, horsepower, and gearbox behavior so you know what to expect day to day. I'll compare EPA-style fuel economy numbers alongside realistic driving MPG to reveal ownership costs. Finally, I'll describe ride comfort and handling so you can picture each car on city streets or long highway trips before choosing. Quick recommendation. If you're packing snacks for a test drive, these leak-proof meal prep containers make life easier and cleaner on the go, and they pair perfectly with a commuting car. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical videos. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Inside, I'll walk you through materials, seat comfort, and passenger space in simple terms. I'll demo infotainment features, smartphone integration, and safety tech so you know what's included versus optional. I'll also compare cargo capacity and everyday practicality, highlighting clever storage or limitations that affect weekly errands. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear sense of which cabin fits your lifestyle and tech expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.